was getting bites. Oh, he's on there. Nice. Yeah. It feels honestly kind of decent. Just I can just hoist him up. Get up here. That's cool. Bigger than any of the fish I caught the last time. He's croaking at me. Dude, the catfish here are so cool. They're all yellow. Hi, buddy. Oh, fish on.
Is that what they're right at, like that choke point, like where the yellow thing is?
This thing's fighting pretty good, dude.
A little bit further down. Okay. Yeah.
Get up here.
Dude, that's a good one. Oh, that's a nice.
That's a nice what? 3-pounder, you think?
Yeah, I don't know. 2-pounder.
Yeah, it's a beautiful little kitty.
Big channel. Big channel. Really big channel. Yeah, that's a good one.
Got him. Okay, yeah, I was confused. Dude,
it might flop out. Might flop out.
The shadow was making it look like.
It's not a flathead, is it?
No.
Dude, it's huge.
That's a big fucking
That's
channel.
the biggest channel I've ever seen. Yeah, his head's like hanging out of it. I thought it was gonna fall off.
Okay, now we got it.
Dude, that thing's huge.
That's a big fucking channel, dude. Nice.
That's a good one. That thing's gotta be pretty close to 30.
Dude, that's a big catfish. Nice.
That's super good.
Oh, sweet. Thank you for actually watching my rod. I was not. Oh, got it out. Nice. 9.17.
I guess it's not
27.5. It's got this beautiful channel catfish, 27.5 inches. Nice chunky one, with a big fat belly. Beautiful cat. See, bud? Oh, shit. I knew it was gonna be one of my, it was gonna be a mistake, bro.
Always is.
I don't think he's on here. I probably should have waited, but I was kind of impatient. Yeah, I cut it. Like really nice out here. Yeah, it was really cold.
You gonna put this in your YouTube video?
I mean, I guess so. I don't know. If we catch like another cool fish or something, I'll make a video probably, but otherwise I'll what?
Speaking of which, dude, his rod's screaming. Mine?
I'll grab the net. Let's grab this. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, just be a light for me because I don't got one. You got it? Nice. Hell yeah. What's this on cup 8? Damn, this thing's going crazy.
Yeah, right.
PB potentially.
Gotta be.
Flathead love to stay down like that. Like they'll fight like burbot where like they'll be right here, but they'll still just be digging down.
You recording this, Logan?
Yes, I am.
Dude, this is a big fish.
The footage isn't like the absolute best because of the lighting, but we'll be able to see it when it emerges.
This is a big fish. Look at my rod thing, dude.
Seriously, bro.
Dude, no way. It's a carp.
It's carp bubbles, dude.
Dude, look at it, dude. It's running right on.
The sturgeon.
Oh,
It's a
that's a
huge
channel.
big cat.
At least I know now.
Yeah.
That's a big one though, bro.
That's a good one for sure.
I'm gonna need to lay it down. Got him. That's a big catfish.
Might be a PB, dude. I don't know.
Oh yeah, that's a good one.
Nice.
Dude, that thing is big as
Do you want to run him over here?
Yeah.
Nice, dude.
Oh, dude, yeah. Holy shit. This thing's got to be over 10, right?
Yeah, hold him up. I'll get a cool
Dude,
little.
look at this thing.
Yo, that is a fat ass fish, bro. Look at
Jeez.
that belly.
How do we weigh it? 'Cause, man.
Oh,
It's like almost 13, it looks like.
yeah, bigger than my PB.
Dude, that's definitely a PB, dude. Jesus.
Got one eye, right?
12.79.
12.79, dude. Holy
Missing an eye, right?
Yeah,
Oh.
yeah, he's missing an eye.
Is it Master Angler, you think?
I mean, Master English 30, I think. He's right here.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Get a picture of that. 31.
30, yeah, 31.
Got my personal best channel catfish. 13 pounds, 31 inches. Put up a great fight. Was hoping he was going to be a flathead, but definitely not disappointed.
Sweet fish.
Thanks for playing, buddy.
Is he on?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Feel good?
Yeah, pretty decent. Yeah.
Here, we got some good.
We got my bait too.
Oh, yeah. Nice.
Hell yeah.
Yeah,
Not bad.
we can do a few more of those. We could just consistently get those.
Yeah, right.
Right there. 25?
Yeah, wow.
25 incher?
Yeah,
Cool.
Cool. Nice one.
Yeah.
Oh, I love your mouths.
Channel
Okay.
catfish are so sick.
Good. Hey, buddy. Guess good.
That's sick. See, bud. Nice.
Perfect.
Ooh. Recording on my phone because my GoPro's dead. It's a giant flatty, guys.
They're fighting like the same. Fighting like the same fish. This is like a baby fish. What is that?
Looks like a channel, yeah. Oh, nice. Yeah, it looks better.
Look how yellow it is, dude.
Yeah, that's so
Crazy.
cool.
Beautiful channel cat. 24.
Nice. Do you guys want to look at this? I don't know how you guys like steak.
Yes, if it looks good to you, it's good for me.
Looks fine to me. Like this.
Oh, yeah.
Now I can burn this and actually get the fire going. Then put some wood chunks on it.
I do love it.
Mmm.
I just eat the fat. And that little rod over there gets a flathead.
Dude, it's been sitting there for ever with the worm, and
long.
it probably still has a full worm on
The
it.
worm's probably gone, dude.
No, dude. I bet it's
probably
I bet it's on there. Dude, I casted a worm out and it was out for probably 45 minutes and I reeled it in and it was still perfectly on there. Like not a
Really?
single bit was. It was like as soon as the sun went down, they stopped biting the worms.
Yeah, that is kind of what happened, honestly.
Maybe the big boys came out to play and they're like, oh, fuck that.
They all went to their barrows for the night.
They went under a f***ing crevice, locked the door.
While the giant flatheads were cruising around. Apparently not. This is the night of the big channel cats, I guess.
I mean, I'll take it.
I won't. I decline it.
When I see it's a channel, I just cut my line at the f***ing reel.
Anything other than a bass is a perch.
Was he on?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. How does it feel?
Not big. Dude, it's so hard to reach. Thank you, sir.
What the
Dude, what the hell? Look,
Did you
it
just
came
see
out.
that?
That came out.
Dude, that was
just,
very
like,
close to
stuck.
just
He was just, like,
disappearing,
hanging.
dude.
Dude, that was weird.
Dude, did you see that? He was like halfway
Yeah,
like
he was
out
like
of the.
hanging on it.
Dude, like his tail was like out of the net.
D tier.
Poop tier.
Look at him, dude. He's kind of cute.
He is cute. I'll keep that one as a pet.
Yeah?
Surely he won't f***ing eat my fish.
See you later, buddy.
Oh, dude, someone's losing a rod right now. Oh, it's this one. Yeah, it just yanked really hard. Yeah, I'm gonna throw one of mine over here. Does it feel big?
Feels nice. Feels the same.
Good one.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Let you keep your bait.
Fatty.
So sweet, Caddy.